Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to do another plan with me. I'm going to start doing them weekly, and I wanted you guys to plan along. And I wanted to be budget friendly, and I wanted to be what I like. So I made my own, and I'm going to share them with you. If you want to see them, go to BeautyandtheStamper.com. And let's go ahead and let me just show them to you. So first of all, I want you to notice the size before I show you the entire sheets. Do you see that it is a full sheet of paper? And then you see that there's some borders. And I wanted to show you that for this reason. I have this on a clipboard, and it'll work fine on a clipboard. If you just are looking, just go to the Dollar Tree, pick up a clipboard, and you can grab yourself a planner on a clipboard. And we will decorate these in my Plan With Me style. But you could also cut them down, and they will fit on a regular, standard, classic Happy Planner. See how it fits right in there? Let me show you. There you go. So you just have to cut the borders off. You could also use the big Happy Planner. Those will fit in there perfectly. If you have the cutters, if not, there's another video, and I'll link it down below, show you how to cut your own using just a standard hole punch. I'll do some tips and tricks on that video if I remember correctly. It was so long ago. But guess what? You could also just use a 3-ring binder. This is a 1-inch 3-ring binder that I found at Dollar Tree. Is that so pretty? And that's just with a regular hole punch. And that will all fit in there. So here we go. Let me show you. I've got this is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There is also the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we've got this. We've got a habit tracker. So you can do all different little habits. I've got some goals for the week. Any notes that you want. And look at these nice big boxes. I gave enough room that we could put some washi in there. You can put some stickers. Same thing here. You can write all your day's stuff. We've got our to-do list. So it's to do, to buy, and to watch. If you guys watch Netflix like me. And then down here, I've taken some time out to do some self-care and some gratitude. So I wanted to make sure that it was something that I would definitely use, and I think that you would use as well. So again, I'm sharing these. Just go to BeautyandtheStamper.com, and I'll have the link on there for you to download these. And you can download them each week as we go along and do our planning. And then I also made a little monthly planner as well. It's just one full sheet, one page, little dots where you can put the dates. So you can put the month, the year, and then fill in the dates. And that's the way it is with both of these. So I wanted to get this out today so I could show it to you. That way you guys could download it, because I'm going to do a Plan With Me live tomorrow, Monday. And what is tomorrow? See, I don't even know what day it is tomorrow. Is it the 13th, I believe? If I got it correct, we'll be starting Monday the 13th live. So I will go ahead and do that at 11 a.m. Pacific time. So if you are here, download this, and let's get ready to plan with me live at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Okay, 11 a.m. I'll write it down. I'll put it on my Instagram. We'll put it everywhere, and let's plan together. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you like this. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to do Plan With Me, make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I cannot wait to get back to planning again. All right, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.